Alright, in this video I want to talk about our fields tab and our fields out on the map. In the previous version of Op Center, you could go up to a field and click on it and the little index card would appear and show you different things. So what we're going to do now is go to our fields tab over here on the map screen and click on a particular field. You would get the same icon would pop up if I scrolled in here and clicked on a field. You're going to get the same thing on the left-hand side of your screen. So I can see acres, I can see the client farm field name, I can see the last time it was worked, which was 1 month ago. Everything's going to be color coordinated according to the last thing that was done on it. So this 564 field, for instance, harvest was the last thing that I completed on it. Some of these ones in blue would have been some form of application, so probably spring. As we move into the spring, it could be anhydrous or a nitrogen application. And then these ones in green probably have a cover crop or a wheat crop on them because the last thing that was done on them was seeding. I can get my directions, my turn-by-turn directions, just like I can with my equipment. And then I also have quick links to things in Operations Center. So Field Analyzer is where I'm going to go to view my maps, my as-applied data, so I could see, what was the last thing actually put on that? Was it wheat or was it a cover crop? What was the last chemical application applied onto it? But that is where I'll find my maps at to view those. Land tab, again, that's where we go to manage our fields, boundaries, guidance tracks, and flags. Work Planner is where we could set up everything for 2023 planting, let's say, since it's the fall winter time frame of 2022 here. And I could set up which fields are going into corn, what rate I want those planted at, what variety, what guidance lines I want used, what equipment, so on and so forth, and then go ahead and send that to the display, and as the operator pulls into the boundary, it will automatically preload all that information for me. Agrarian Prescription Creator is where I could go to create my own prescriptions here for me. Also, once you create a prescription in there, a place to view it would be back in Work Planner. It allows you to determine whether you want to just plan a flat rate or a prescription. If you choose your prescription rate in there, it's going to give you a preview of what that prescription is going to look like. Another thing that we had available to us under the index card here on the middle of the screen on the old version was the merge-unmerge option. So to be able to merge fields with the same name, maybe they was typed in wrong in the monitor, we could go ahead and put those together or take them back away if I merge something wrong. So now where we're going to go to do that would be under our land tab here. That's where we have the ability to merge and unmerge fields there. So if I come back out to my land, I click 564, and then now up here in the upper right hand corner you see merge. I would go find the field, and then I would tell it which field I want to keep, either the correctly spelled field or the field that has the right boundary. And again, it will show me a preview of what that looked like and what fields are going to be merged together. And I just hit the merge tool. Once they are merged, then I can go to that field and unmerge them if something ever went wrong with it. I believe here this field is one that we merged. Yes, you can see that I have two merged fields, so I had the ability to unmerge those if I would like to do that. And then I'll show you real quick here under Work Planner what I was talking about earlier as far as being able to see that prescription. Used to, again, you click on the index card and be able to view that prescription from there. But if I want to see it now, I come up in under here and just create me a new plan. I know that I have a prescription for the hail field here. So I'm going to look at that, go next, tell it what crop I'm going to put that in. Put it in this variety, and then as you see right here, instead of typing in 30 or 32,000, I've got a prescription that I created, and there's my legend, and there's what that prescription will look like if I choose to utilize it. So just wanted to make this video to update and show you where some of the features now sit with the new update that Operations Center has incurred as far as the Fields tab or icon goes. So hope this was helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos on the YouTube page. Thank you.